1. Excavator. Excavator. Dig and scoop. Digging deep. Loop. Loop. Big strong bucket up and down working on the construction ground. Excavator. Dig with me. 2. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Push, push, push. Moving dirt with a mighty rush. Big strong blade goes side to side, making the ground smooth and wide. Bulldozer. Push with me. 3. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Scoop it up. Fill the bucket. Lift it up. Move the rocks from here to there. Working hard without a care. Wheel loader. Go, go, go. 4. Dump truck. Dump truck, drive along, carrying dirt all day long. Lift the bed and tip it out. That is what a dump truck's about. Dump truck, roll with me. Tower crane, way up high, lifting things into the sky. Round and round it moves with care, building tall things everywhere. Tower crane, up, up, up. 6. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader, dig and scoop, working hard, zoom, zoom, zoom. Bucket in the front, arm in the back, moving dirt along the track. Backhoe loader, work with me. 7. Road roller. Road roller, roll, 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 making roads smooth as a hole. Round big wheels go round and round, making a smooth road on the ground. Road roller, roll with me. 8. Mobile crane. Mobile crane, drive around, lifting loads up from the ground. Big long arm reaches high, helping builders as it goes by. Mobile crane, lift with me. 9. Motor grader. Motor grader, smooth the way, making roads better every day. Big long blade moves left and right, making the road smooth and bright. Motor grader, work with me. 10. Concrete mixer truck. Mixer truck, turn, turn, turn. Mixing concrete, learn, learn, learn. Round and round the drum goes, building strong things as it rolls. Concrete mixer, go with me. 11. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader, move, move, move. Around the ground it loves to groove. Lift the bucket, scoop it high, working hard as trucks go by. Skid steer loader, go, go, go. 12. Paver machine. Paver machine. Smooth, 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 making roads with every move. Lay the pavement nice and wide, building roads for cars to ride. Paver machine, work with me. 13. Trencher. Trencher, dig a long, long line, working steadily, doing fine. Down in the ground it digs away, making a trench along the way. Trencher, dig, dig, dig. 14. Piling machine strong and tall, helping build a building wall. Down it works into the ground, making strong foundations sound. Piling machine, work with me. 15. Water truck. Water truck, spray, spray, spray. Keeping dusty roads away, splashing water on the ground, making less dust all around. Water truck, go, go, go. 16. Scraper. Scraper machine, scrape and move, moving soil with every groove. Cut and carry, smooth the land, working with a helping hand. Scraper machine, move with me. 17. Crawler crane. Crawler crane, big and strong, lifting heavy things along. Up goes the load, down it goes, helping builders as it grows. Crawler crane, lift up high. 18. Forklift. Forklift, lift, lift. Moving loads is your special gift. Up and down, it moves with care, carrying boxes here and there. Forklift, lift with me. 19. Compactor. Compactor, roll and press, making the ground nice and less. Round and round the wheels go by, making strong roads as they try. Compactor, roll with me. 20. Concrete pump truck. Concrete pump truck, pump, 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 sending concrete with a thump through the long pipe, smooth and slow, helping builders as they go. Concrete pump truck, work with me. 21. Asphalt roller. Asphalt roller, roll, 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 making roads smooth as a hole. Round and round the wheels go by, building roads for cars to drive. Asphalt roller, roll with me. 22. Telescopic handler. Telehandler, lift up high, reaching toward the sky. Long, strong arm goes up and down, moving loads around the town. Telehandler, lift with me. 23. Demolition excavator. Demolition excavator, strong and tough, working carefully, that's enough. Big long arm reaches around, helping clear the building ground. Excavator, work with me. 24. Rock crusher, crush, 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 breaking rocks with a mighty rush. Big hard rocks become small, helping builders one and all. Rock crusher, work with me. 25. Concrete batching plant. Concrete plant, mix, 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 making concrete quick, quick, quick. Cement and water, sand and stone, making concrete strong as a stone. Concrete plant, mix with me. Shunny 26. Drilling machine, drill, drill, drill. Working with a steady skill, down it goes into the ground, making holes deep and round. Drilling machine, drill with me. 27. Pile driver. Pile driver, strong and tall, helping build foundations for all. Working carefully in the ground, making strong support all around. Pile driver, work with me.